Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career.
In this video, we will discuss about the types of variables in Postman. So, in last video, we have covered the global variables and it's working fine. Okay, so you can see that global variable. Just I quick, I will explain about the global variable. In pre-request script, we are able to set that global variable and is able to set in here. You can see it is like unset is there because of that is not there. Okay, so we are able to set and we are unset and we are clearing the global variable. Okay, so in today we will cover next collection variables, invert variable and local variables. Okay, so we'll start collection variable. Go to the postman. This is a global variable. We will create one other request. This is our collections emp employee api add request. You can say collection variable, collection variable. Okay, so what will happen in the collection variable and global variable when you want to set the collection level? So global level you want to set the variable, it will be display on here, so it will be used anywhere of the program, all the test cases applicable. But for the collection level variable, this is a collection, and this is, if you click on the collection, it is like variables session is there. You can see the session of the variables. Okay, so it will be displayed here. So it means only for this collection, means all these files only is applicable, not for this one. But if you want to set the global variable, all the collection it is available. Okay, so now we'll start collection variables. We'll give the path of that. Okay, we are given same. Okay, okay, we will give this one, and we will change the collections. Okay, underscore. Can we mention the collection level? C COL, that's it. We are keeping the COL base URL. Okay, for understanding purpose. Got it? So if you want to select that collection level variables, okay, so we want to use this variable constant name, and we'll go to the collection level. This is the collection level variable key, and what is the value of that? What this value of that is, you can take from here. This is our value of that. Okay, and initial value and actual value, current value, both are same. Okay, so now we took, okay, and this is a like globe collection variable. Okay, this is a collection variable. This is our main thing. We are defined with the collection level variables. This is a col base url we define, and you can go here, you can check it is there or not. See, you are able to see the scope is collection. For the global, its scope is global, it will be so. It is not there, so let's I run the one time this request, so it will be so it will be display on that correctly. Now you can see global level, so that is a difference between the both. Okay, so now you got to know about that how to fetch value from the value from the collection variables. So same process is there, but only scope will be changed. Now what we have to do for runtime, we have to set the values. Okay, so in pre-request script, generally what will happen, we are using the pm.global, so that is global level. Okay, so if you want to set for the collection level, then we have to use pm.collection level, collection variable dot, we have to set. Okay, so what is the value of that key value? key is this one. Okay, we have set the correctly key and value. What is the value of that? We are This is our value. Just a minute, I will go to here. This is our value. Got it? This is our collection value. Okay. Now what will happen? Run time only. It will be create the set the value of the collection level, and we can run the test case. Let's see. I will delete this one. This is not required because now we are checking the test cases. Okay, now you can see it is the unresolved variable is there. We have to add the variable. It's not showing where is the variable. But when you want to run the test case, we can add something here, test. We can take from the snippet 200. It is better. Okay, now you can run the test case. We are able to see our we are getting the response code employee, all the employee code we are getting, and it is taking from collection level. And same thing, if you want to remove or like unset the value of that, then you can use the unset, set to unset. Same with workflow. See, pm dot collection variable dot unset. You can use unset, and we have whatever this is there, you can define this here, and it will be unset the value. Okay, you can see of running the value, and you can see here whatever value is there, it is unset. So this will relate to that collection level variable. Now third one is coming environment variable. So we will create one request, similar type of request, and add request. You can see env variable. We can give variable. Okay. So this is very important part. Okay, and I will give that main URL here to understand about that first. Then it will be good. Okay, and now we are keeping one session also, test also. That is best way to explain. Okay, so now what we have to do for if we want to run the environment variable, first we have to select the particular environment. Okay, I will give the example of that. Similar example. If you want to set that global variable through when you want to set the inward variable, it won't possible. This is like tricky part. I will explain about that in this video. But first we have to create the environment. Go. We have to create the environment only, then only it will be work. Okay, go here and we can add the environment. Okay, and here if we add the environment name like QA, I give the QA environment and value is QA underscore base URL. Okay, so it will be like understandable. Okay, and here value is I'm not keeping any value as of now. So you can see in QA is there. Now one more if you want to create, add one more dev, like different type of environment will be there. Okay, dev underscore base URL. Okay, this is a process to add that. Okay, and we can define that value, whatever value is there. So I think this is our value, correct value. I will define now only. Okay, and we did not define for the QA also, we define. Fine, now you got it. The both environment is there. Okay, see this is the environment. If you select QA, then you can run the test case. Yeah, while running the test case, See, it's working fine. Okay, so what will be there, I want to explain about the main point here. Now there is no environment, and in this case, suppose if you want to set this value, let's copy, like we can mention base url, which url, environment, it is globally there, env and qa, sorry, qa fqa underscore 1 minute. I will take correct one, just a minute. 1 minute. I will set the QA environment, and this is our base URL. This is a base URL. Okay, fine. So what will be there? So here you can say environment is there QA base URL. And suppose if you want to do here, this is like you have to understand about that. This one pm dot environment variable, environment dot set. Okay, and we can, okay, dot, and we are giving URL. What is our URL? This is our URL. Okay, now you can understand. Okay, I'm delete. No. Okay, we have to set that particular environment, and you are able to see our environment is there. This one, and we can edit that our environment. Yeah, edit, and we can delete whatever environment is there for the QA. Now there is no environment, and when you want to set the value, suppose if you are going here, this value is not there. If you want to set, it will be work. See, it is working, and you can go and check that particular value is display. So like that we are using. If you want to use the different environment like dev environment, then it should be the dev. Otherwise you can change, you can create, you can send the request, it will be created there also. Now you can see, first we added the dev, now QA also added. Okay, like this it is like environment variable, it work. Okay, if you want to unset for the environment variable, so pm dot environment dot unset is there, and we can unset that particular things. Just a minute. This is our value of that for unsetting. Okay, and you can see after sending request, we are able to see this is removed. Okay, this is a process for environment variable. Now last one, it will come for the local variable. Local variable, for that, what is the use of local variable and what is that? So local variable only for the request level, not for others. Okay, so let's see, we will create another one request, add request, and we can mention local variable. Only for particular request is there, not for others. We can't use for other test case, other things. So we will give the example of same. Okay, and we can, okay, I think we can take from here only, will take base URL local variables. Okay, you can see here, and you can give the name of that local variable, local underscore base URL. Okay, this is also same, exactly same. We can go here, pre-request, we can go pm dot variables, variable dot set, variables dot set means we are setting the variable only for the particular request. Got it? We'll take that URLs, just a minute. This is our actual URL of that main URL, and go to the local variables. You can define it. Now it is not there. You can go and send the request. This is working fine. We are getting the result. Okay, and we can mention that particular code also. We can use that status code. Okay, now you can see it is working. This is called the local variable. A local variable is not used anywhere. Only for particular request we created and we use. That's it. Your setting. This is we are able to set the value for this one. That's it. There is not storing anywhere. Generate zone. Make sure the variable is defined and enable for active environmental collection global variables. Okay, this is the warning. But for local variable, only for this request we are able to use. There is nothing is there to define like local variable. Okay, no need to do unset set. After set, no need to do unset because it's working like that way. Okay, cool. Got it. So this is like see you can see and we are able to assign that value correctly. Now you're able to see. Okay, it's working fine. So we have covered that all the three variables for four variables: collection variable, environment variable, local variables, and global variable already completed. So this is related to the variables. So in next video we will understand about that. After setting the value of that global variable, we have to use the next request that is called the API chaining. Okay.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.